Okay, so what we have here today is a 2015 Subaru Forester, which I installed a CB radio and antenna in. Now, I see a lot of videos on YouTube where people install stuff in trucks or Jeep Wranglers especially, but you don't see too many videos of people installing CBs and the like in Subaru Foresters. But here's a shout out to all my Australian friends. There are a good number of videos of them with their Subarus installed with CB radios, albeit those are UHF CB radios, not HF 27 megahertz CB radios, which I'm going to be showing here today. Shout out to them for their ingenuity. Now what we have here is we have a dual axis hatchback mount, antenna mount, and what I have here is a 3/8 by 24 standard CB antenna mount, which I've attached to it, and for what it's worth, it holds up pretty well. I know a lot of people use fiberglass antennas on off-road vehicles, but I think this center-loaded antenna holds its own pretty well because this is located in a good location, so to speak. In terms of reflection, it's located in a good location because there's not too much metal around it, and this is just plastic right here, so it's not going to affect the antenna tuning real much. And the coil is center loaded, so most of the antenna itself is above the roof line, which is good not just for tuning purposes but also for reception purposes, because that means any signal and your signal will not get dampened too much by surrounding surfaces. And when we install an antenna, that's one of the things you want to perform really well, is sending and receiving. And right in here we have a realistic TRC 415 radio. Got it off an eBay auction, but a unit in 510 and 520 or something like an Anytone or a Cobra 75 WX ST would also make for a great install inside a Subaru Forester here. It works pretty well, and the SWR is pretty decent considering the install. It's about 1 around 19, and it's 1.5 on 1 and 40, so I can't complain too much. I'd probably do a little better if I did some tuning on it, but for a rough install, I'd say that's not too bad.